Experiencing a key not detected error in your 2019-2021 Acura RDX? This often happens when the key fob battery dies. Don't worry, there's a bypass. This video will show you how to start your RDX even with a dead fob, focusing on a temporary solution to get you back on the road. Remember, this is for emergency situations. We'll cover the bypass methods, not unauthorized modifications. The Acura RDX uses a keyless start system that relies on radio frequency communication between the key fob and the vehicle. The key fob communicates with the car using a 314 MHz RF signal to enable keyless entry and ignition. When the key fob battery weakens below 2.5 volts, typically a CR2032 battery, it cannot send the signal, causing the key not detected error. Cold weather can also worsen the detection, as shown on the dashboard. The primary bypass involves a hidden key slot. First, locate the physical key inside your key fob by pressing the release button on the driver's side door handle to remove it. Next, find the slot in the center console, near the cup holders, or under the armrest. You might need to gently pry open a small cover. Insert the physical key into the slot and turn it to the on position, mimicking the ignition. While the key is inserted, press the brake pedal and then press the engine start-stop button. The engine should start. Another method involves using the vehicle's proximity sensors. Place the dead key fob flat on the center console, ideally near the wireless charging pad if your RDX is equipped with one. Hold the fob firmly in place and press the start-stop button. This often works because the car can still detect the fob's presence at very close range, even with a weak battery. Important considerations when bypassing the key not detected error in your Acura RDX. First, ensure you're pressing the brake pedal firmly while attempting to start. Second, the key fob needs to be very close to the sensor for the proximity method to work. If the car still doesn't start, try both methods again. Make sure the physical key is fully inserted and turned to the on position correctly. Finally, keep in mind that extreme cold can reduce battery performance, affecting the bypass success. While bypass methods provide temporary access, replacing the key fob battery offers the best long-term solution for the key not detected error in your 2019-2021 Acura RDX. The RDX uses a standard CR32 lithium coin battery, which is widely available at electronics stores, pharmacies, and online retailers. You can replace the battery yourself for around $20 or have your Acura dealer do it for $50 to $150. Always consult your owner's manual for specific instructions on safely opening the key fob. If neither bypass method works, there might be a more significant issue. Try replacing the key fob battery first. If the problem continues, consider taking your Acura RDX to a dealership. They can diagnose the immobilizer, ECU, or keyless entry system. Repeated bypass attempts could potentially degrade the transponder over time, so professional attention is crucial for persistent issues. Section 8, Future Trends and Keyless System Evolution. Keyless systems are becoming increasingly common, but battery dependency remains a drawback. Automakers are exploring alternative energy sources like kinetic or solar power for fobs. App-based digital keys using NFC or Bluetooth are on the horizon. By 2030, expect more reliable, longer-lasting key fobs to minimize dead battery issues and improve convenience. Keyless systems will continue to evolve, offering greater reliability and convenience.